Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can program your TV to switch to different channels probably on a particular day or even throughout the week. Maybe you are not all that free to probably be holding the remote every day or all the time changing from one station to another trying to watch your favorite program. You can just select those programs and schedule them and the TV will just tune to that particular channel when it's time for that particular program you normally enjoy watching on your TV. So let's get started. So I'm watching a TV station like this, and the time is currently 10:29. And let's assume at exactly 11 o'clock, I want to switch to another channel for my favorite program. And probably that program will end at, let's say, 11:30. And that 11:30 to have a program that I normally watch on another channel or station. Probably that one to end, probably, let's say, 12:30. And that 12:30 to there's another program I normally watch on a different channel. So you can't always be with the TV remote and switching from that channel back and forth. So you can equally program your TV to do that while you are attending to probably some of your stuff in the house. So let's get started. Now in this video, I'm going to use Samsung TV. That's the 5 series. This particular is the N5000. So when you have a TV station showing like this on your screen, you just take your Samsung TV and press guide. There's a key on the remote labeled guide. You just press on it. Then you have an option like this or an interface. So with this interface, there are some options at the bottom of the screen that resemble like that of the taskbar on a computer. So you have alphabets with some options against them. So for the option A, we have quick navigation, then B, channel category, and then the C, which is schedule manager. So for this particular feature, you are going to use the schedule manager. So you just go ahead and press option C on your keyboard, sorry, on your remote. So when you press the C, you have something like this showing on your screen. So you have, I've already selected or programmed some channels to be shown at specific period. So that's why I have this on my screen. You may not have this probably. That'll be your first time of doing it. So you may have probably only the top one, which is in that particular rectangular box showing. So you just go ahead and press the enter key on the remote and you have this particular dialog box. So you have different options. You have area, so that area is the satellite, and then followed by channel. The channel I'm watching is Joy Prime, and then the repeat mode. So this is where you are going to do a little bit of manipulation. So how many times do you want? Okay, let me just press that one and see what options we have. We have the manual, Saturday to Sunday, and then Monday to Friday, and then the last one is every day. So for you, maybe you don't want that particular channel to be repeated every day. So in that case, you can just go ahead and use the manual option. So you select manual. So if you see that just below that, you see the days of the week started over there. So and there are some boxes just below them. So if I want to watch this particular channel, let's say on Sunday, I'll just go ahead and select that Sunday and press the enter key and it will be marked. Now let's count the time. So what time do they show probably your favorite program? That's what you have to select over there. Currently the time is 10:33. And let me say that they normally show probably a favorite program at 10:36. So you just go and press the enter key and change the time to 10:36 and you press the enter key. Now I'm currently watching Joy Prime, but let's say that particular 10:33 I want to change to a different program. Sorry, channel. So I'll count the channel area this side and select that particular station or channel that will be showing my favorite program at 10:36. So Let me look for a channel and put over there. Okay, so let me say MS24. So let me select that one. So when you are done with all those settings, you just come and press OK. So when you press OK, they will just give you this confirmation that this channel is set for schedule. So you just press OK and you just press the exit key on the remote and go back to your channel and be enjoying your program. While you wait for the time for it to change back to the MS24 I just selected. So let's wait for that particular time. So the joy prime is currently showing, and when it's exactly 10:36, you see that the channel will just switch to the MS24 without me pressing the remote. So this thing can be used by people who normally own shops, let's say barbering shops, even the banking halls, and probably your workplace. If maybe you normally engage people to work for you, you don't engage yourself in probably attending to customers. So you can just program the channels down, and when it's time for your favorite program, the TV just switch back to those channels for you. So as you can see, the channel just switched to MS24 without me pressing or issuing any command from the remote. So that's how this particular feature works. So it really helps a lot. So if I want to watch, let's say, 5 different stations today at different times, I'll just use this particular option and just leave my remote somewhere or be on the table and just be watching the TV. When it's time for that particular program or probably on a station, the TV will just switch automatically without me pressing the remote or any key on the remote. So let me take you back to that place again. So we have something like this. So let's come back to the repeat mode whereby you have all these options. The ones manual Saturday, Sunday, and every day. So let's say I watch a program every day or a particular channel at a particular time every day. So let's say I watch this particular MS24, let's say 7 p.m. every day. So I'll just go to the repeat mode and select every day and come back to. So immediately you select every day, all the days will be marked. So you don't have to do anything over there. You just come to the time area and then select the 7 p.m. You enter the time over there by using the cursor keys. So you just do that, and after which you go and press the enter key. Then you move to the OK. So what this means is that every day, that's from Sunday to probably Monday. That's the when it's time for when it's 7 o'clock p.m. No matter the channel you are watching, maybe you are watching a channel apart from the MS24. When it's 7 p.m., the TV will automatically switch to MS24 for you to enjoy your program. So that's how you can just allow your TV to switch your channels for you while you enjoy your other stuff you are doing in the house. In this case, you don't have to always be pressing the remote and doing all those stuff. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please kindly share and even subscribe to the channel for us. Thank you for watching.